some users have reported significant problems after installing the One UI 7 beta update. It's crucial to note that this is an official beta version, so it's not recommended for installation on your primary device. While I've encountered some bugs myself, the strangest one was when half of my screen became unstable, forcing me to restart the device. For most people, I strongly advise against installing this update on their main Samsung device and recommend waiting until the official version rolls out in January. A fellow YouTuber, ZTechCare, recently uploaded a video discussing the features of One UI 7, along with some of its bugs. Among the reported issues, one stood out as particularly odd. ZTechCare experienced a bug where half of the screen turned unstable, rendering the device unusable until a restart was performed. In his video, he emphasized that users should avoid installing the beta update on their primary devices and wait for the stable release expected in January. Another One UI 7 beta user shared a video on the Samsung forums, highlighting an unusual issue. According to them, when on the home screen, swiping down from either side only brings up the notification panel. However, within an app, swiping down from the right opens the quick settings, while swiping from the left shows notifications. They asked whether this could be adjusted in the settings or if it's simply a beta-related issue. Over on Reddit, a One UI 7 beta user detailed a frustrating problem they've been experiencing. After unlocking the device, instead of going to the home screen, it frequently redirects to the notification panel. This happens regardless of whether there are notifications and occurs around 50% of the time. The user mentioned spending over 2 to 3 hours trying to fix the issue but without any luck. They also noted they couldn't find anyone else with a similar problem on Reddit and even sought assistance from Google Assistant, Bixby, and other sources to no avail. Despite the frustration, the user ended their post wishing everyone a Merry Christmas and asking for advice from the community. This peculiar bug remains unresolved, leaving users to seek solutions online. If you're trying out the One UI 7 beta, we'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. How is it working for you? That's it for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.